When we talk about natural hair care products, one thing that comes first is coconut oil. Coconut oil has been used by many people worldwide for a long time, as it is relatively cheap and gives impressive results. There are several benefits of coconut oil for your hair. Coconut oil helps to keep your hair moisturized, it promotes growth, makes hair strong while keeping your scalp flakes free. The benefits of using coconut oil in your hair can be revealed by looking at its chemical properties. Number 1. Lauric acid. One of the main causes of hair loss and recession of hair is the action of microbes on the scalp and base of the follicles. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid that acts as an antimicrobial, which prevents the buildup of microbes. This helps in preventing hair loss and stimulates strong hair growth. This means regular use of coconut oil is not only good for your hair, but also prevents hair loss. Number 2. Capric acid. Virgin coconut oil has a high yield of not just lauric acid, but capric acid as well. Capric acid also works similarly to lauric acid, as capric acid is also an antimicrobe. It tackles microbes at the source, stopping more spread and also loss of hair, while boosting new hair growth. Number 3. Vitamin E. All of us know exactly how crucial vitamin E is to natural wellness generally. Vitamin E helps keep the skin in excellent condition, as well as is just one of the essential ways in which your hair preserves its shine and bounce. Number 4. Fatty acids. The fatty acids in coconut oil act as a great anti-dandruff system that beats most anti-dandruff shampoos. Regular application softens and also moistens the skin, decreasing the accumulation of hair as well as flakes. Conclusion. The benefits of virgin coconut oil for your hair are amazing. This is why many people are changing their traditional hair shampoos, as well as conditioners, with either pure or high-density coconut oil products. Many people have now begun using coconut oil for stylistic factors, as it acts similarly to hair wax or gel without generating the flakes of regular wax and also without damaging the hair's strength. This results from coconut oil's capability to preserve moisture at nearly all temperature levels.